We're going to do an example using the binomial probability distribution, and it's going to involve an at least one example. In this problem, we have a car owner is randomly selected in a given town. And for the town, the probability that a person owns a car that is less than 1 year old is 28%. Okay, so we'll keep that in mind here, which is our equivalent to 0.28. We want to find the probability that in a neighborhood where there are 17 homes and a total of 25 car owners, that at least one of the car owners owns a car that is less than 1 year old. So this is our total number of car owners here, and we want to find the probability that at least one of them owns a car that is less than 1 year old. So that is, we want to find the probability that at least one owns a car less than a year old. That's the probability that we're looking for. So, oops, I'll go ahead and put it at least in there. Left out that at least one. So for the at least one problems, we want to do 1 minus the probability of none. So that's 1 minus the probability that none of the car owners own a car less than 1 year old, or all 25 of them own cars that are older than 1 year. So it's equivalent to, so none of the car owners own a car less than 1 year old is equivalent to saying all 25 own cars older than 1 year. So it's 1 minus the probability that all 25, in this case, car owners have a car older than 1 year. Okay, so all 25 car owners have a car older than 1 year. Let's see what we're given them. We're given that the probability of a car owner having a car, let's say less than 1 year, is equal to 0.28. So having a car older than 1 year, so we'll say greater than or equal to 1 year, would be the complement. So 1 minus 0.28, which gives us 0.72. So this is equal to 1 minus, and we're going to use our binomial PDF formula here. So we have binomial PDF, and the total number of car owners that we have in this case is 25. So that's our N. Okay, we want to input N, P, and then X. So we have 1 minus binomial PDF, and our N in this case is 25. Our P in this case is going to be 0.72, and our X is going to be 25. So that is all 25 car owners have a car older than 1 year. So we want to plug this into our calculator, and then whatever that value is, subtract it from 1. And then that will give us our final probability. We're going to get approximately 1 minus 0.00027, and if we do that subtraction here, we will get approximately 0.999 if we take that to 3 significant figures there, or approximately 99.9%, that in this neighborhood of 17 homes where there are 25 car owners, at least one of the car owners owns a car that is less than 1 year old. So this is an example of an at least one problem, and we are using technology here. We have a video that shows you how to input this into your calculator if you need some help there. That final probability is 99.9%.